Hello students. I know we all love music and few of us love to play musical instruments. It will be great fun to have a homemade musical instrument. Here I would like to talk about guitar. It is a string instrument with a fretted fingerboard, typically in curved sides, 6 or 12 strings played by plucking or strumming with the fingers. And today we will make homemade guitar. To make guitar we need a box. You can use any box, cardboard box. It may be a shoe box. Now I have this box, so I am using this. A wrap paper to cover the box, a marker, scissor, sellotape, and the rubbers of different thickness. First of all, we have to mark the circle in between the box. Now we will cut from here with the help of scissor and we will cover the box. Our box is ready. You can see I wrapped the box from all the sides. Now it looks beautiful from outer side also. Now we have to stretch the rubbers around the box like this. Now our guitar is ready. I wrapped the different rubbers around the box. Now we have to vibrate one by one. Listen carefully, students. Wow, it's amazing. Can you hear the sound? Basically the vibrations produce the sounds. Now you can vibrate the strings one by one and you can vibrate more than one in one time. You can hear the music. Now our guitar is ready. We can use a roll or a wood. We can, if you have a wood piece, then wrap it with the paper and paste it here, and when you hold it like this, it would look like a guitar. So your guitar is ready. For this you have to cut it from here. Hold it like it. Now I paste it here with the help of glue, and you can also use the sellotape to paste the paper here. Now it look like a real guitar. You can make the guitar in more decorative way also, in the different way also. It's fun activity as well as the creative activity also. So students, make your guitar and enjoy the music. Have fun with music. Bye bye.